into all the world. Go into all the world, 3 verse of this hymn. First verse, what is it? Far, far away, in the darkness dwelling, millions of souls forever may be lost. Who will know salvation's glory telling? Look into Jesus, finding not the cause. All power is given unto me. All power is given unto me. Going into all the world and preach the gospel, and lo, I am with you always. See all the world, by open doors inviting, soldiers of Christ, arise and enter in. Christians awake, our forces all uniting, stand for the gospel, break the chains of sin. All power is given unto me. All power is given unto me. Going into all the world and preach the gospel, and lo, I am with you always. Next verse. Why will he die? The voice of God is calling. Why will he die? We echo in his name. Jesus has died to save from death appalling. Life and salvation, therefore don't proclaim. All power is given unto me. All power is given unto me. Going into all the world and preach the gospel, and lo, I am with you always. May na all be seated. God bless the sing of His praise.
Magandang hapon muli sa inyo lahat mga kapatid, and we thank God for the great opportunity and privilege that we can serve God in our church. And I believe we are grateful and thankful for the Lord, for His grace, for how He sustained us throughout the week. And as you know, we are having this celebration of our Thanksgiving Commitment Sunday, and I know that you prayed for this, and we keep on praying for our church. And today we are thankful and grateful because we were visited again by our missionaries to Southern Africa, particularly in Zambia and Southern Africa. So dalawang lugar yun, no? And they have been in the ministry for quite some time, and I have heard their testimonies and the ministry that God laid upon their life. At kami tayo pinagpapasalamat sa Panginoon that we are partnering with them. And what a joy and encouragement ang family ito sa atin. And would like to introduce them to you. And nais ko munang tawagin ang kanilang mga anak. But they have 5 children, if I'm not mistaken. At doon po sa 5 anak nila, 2 po ang pinahintulutan ng Panginoon na makasama nila sa araw na ito. And we're blessed. Kaya minsan ba pupunta na sa church natin yung mga couple na, yung wife and missionary. But now we are so happy and we are blessed. And as I introduce your name, kindly stand up para makilala po kayo ng ating mga members. Ang tatawagin ko muna yung panganay, no? Panganay o yung mas eldest na elder ng konti, no? Mas matanda. Ayaw sabi matanda eh. Mas may edad ng konti. And I would like to call Sister Donna. So please stand up, Donna po siya. Yan. Alright, maraming salamat. At si